I'm Joy and I'm back for another video and I'm so excited right now kahit nabulol ako. So yeah, I have a video for you guys because it's Christmas season and there are things that I got for Christmas which is unexpected, and my dog is barking right now if you can hear that. And yeah, I didn't expect to receive things during this Christmas season because what I love is to give gifts, not to receive gifts. I'm not saying I don't want to receive anything, but I'm not expecting anything from someone, and this is kind of surprising. But I didn't have any gift coming from my family right now because they are in Ilocos and they spent their Christmas there, and I'm here in Pangasinan working para sa ikauunlad ng Pilipinas. Just kidding, because I have a duty in the hospital. So yeah, let's start with the video. So the first thing that I got here is this bag, which is in my exchange gift in the hospital. So we only have worth 200 pesos for the exchange gift, but the nurse that picked my name is amazing, and she gave a lot of things. And yeah, so with this one is the Parisian bag here. It's like a sling bag na sack. I mean, it's a gray with the pocket here with a zipper here. And what else can I say about this? It's just like a sack, but it's a leather, something like that, and it's a sling bag. So yeah, how nice. This is so precious, so I love this one. And the next one that I have is also from her, a perfume from Bath and Body Works. It's in the scent Pink Chiffon, I guess. Pink Chiffon, it's written here, it's Pink Chiffon. Yeah, fine fragrance mist. Yeah, that's it. And when I saw this in SM, it cost almost 500, I think, 450 or 550. And yeah, hell yeah. I love her. And the next thing that I got is this scarf, still coming from her, from the SM accessories hashtag celebrate me. So the color is so nice because it's pink. I was so excited when I saw this one because I love to wear a scarf even though Philippines is so freaking hot. I still love it, and this scarf is so lightweight and the color is freaking good. Freaking good. I love leopard print, and the color is pink, yellow, blue, bluish, greenish, like that, and it's very long. Yeah, so really loving this one. So yeah, that's all the things that I got from her. And yes sir. If I'm correct, our pharmacist gave this one to us because we won a game. Yeah, hell yeah, we are so competitive. Hell yeah, we're so competitive. And we got this mason jar from her because she know that nurses love mason jars, because even our mugs or our cups are all mason jars. So yeah, this tumbler that I already used a while ago, this is coming from our physician, our orthosurgeon, Dr. Wen James, and they texted us that we have a gift coming from him. I wasn't expecting that because yeah, last year our physicians didn't give anything because maybe they are so busy or coming like that. I don't know what's their reason, but this year almost all of our physicians gave something to us. So yeah, so I got a tumbler. I don't know how they picked that because in the box of the gift we have a number there and you just pick your number. The first nurses who got their gifts maybe already picked, and then just the secretary picked a number for us, then they just wrote our name there. So what I got is a water bottle, and it's leak proof and heat proof, like that. Heat proof up to 100 degrees Celsius heat. So maybe I can put a coffee here during the night shift so it won't get burned. Next that I got is coming from our pediatrician, one of our pediatricians, Dr. Manangan, and she gave us the Dove Gentle Exfoliating. Just pick a gift. We don't have a name there, it's just in a box, and just pick something that you like. And it's this one is not covered. Even those coming from Watson's are not covered, so you can see, you can just choose whatever you want. So I picked the winter jelly bean. In my haul video that I told you before, that I got a wild daisy scent coming from Watson's. It's just a water shower gel that has a pump, and I didn't like the scent, so I came up with the winter jelly bean. So let's smell this. It's amazing, you guys. It smells like candy. I'm so serious in smelling. It smells like candy and I love it. You guys, if you have been watching my videos, you know that I love cupcakes, scent, vanilla scents, like that food. I'm like, not like Pac-Man. So the next one here is coming also from one of our pediatricians, Dr. Esperanza, and it's Blue Magic coin purse, and it's so timely because right now I have a lot of coins for the kids, so I need to have this. So it's just a blue with a zipper, yeah, like that. I like it. So the next one that I got is a bag, a sling bag, coming from the aunt of Matt, and it looks like this. Yeah. I'm gonna use it for maybe shopping for the kitchen, like that. So yeah, it's just a very lightweight material. Actually, I wasn't expecting this gift. I wasn't expecting anything coming from them because I'm just not a gift expectator. Is that a word? So during the Christmas Eve, when we already gave our gift to them, I wasn't expecting my name to be called, and she gave me a bag like this. So thank you, Tita Paz. And for the last one that I have here is the one that I picked during the raffle, because in the hospital you just pick a number and everybody will get a gift, and we also have another raffle like that, and I'm not lucky with those raffle, but anyways, I got one because everybody will get a gift. And what I got is this Best Wear 3-round storage set. I really need this. Why I need this? Because I need to pack my lunch, because right now there are no canteens or no food. You know, nobody can cook right now, and we don't have something to eat during our shift. So we have 3, and look at it, it's pink, you guys, it's pink. I love it. So yeah, that's it. 3-round storage set for my food. So that's all that I have for Christmas, and thank you for those who gave something, but to those who didn't give, it's okay, you guys. Your hug, your greetings, and your everything, just your presence is already enough for me. I'm not really expecting a lot of gifts. I'm not really expecting for gifts. I'm just a gift giver, but I don't really expect a lot of gifts. So yeah, if you have received a gift during the Christmas season, be thankful. If you don't receive anything, still be thankful, you know. Life goes on. We still have a new year. So see you again in my next video. Bye.